everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make tomato gyoza nabe, tomato gyoza hot pot. You can easily make this dish by cooking frozen food stock. It is quick, easy yet delicious. I will link my gyoza recipe in the description box, but you can of course use your favorite gyoza. Nabe hot pot is a perfect dish in cold season. I hope you find this idea helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Slice the onion. Heat olive oil in a pot. Saute the onion until tender. Add canned diced tomatoes. Add water, about 1.5 cans of water. Add consommé cubes, or any soup stock is okay. Simmer until hot. Now add Shimeji mushrooms. They don't have to be frozen, I just kept them in the freezer. You can use your favorite gyoza. I always keep them in the freezer. I have many gyoza recipes. Gyoza playlist is in the description box. And frozen broccoli. I always keep them in the freezer as well. Simmer for about 20 minutes until cooked through. Season with salt and pepper if necessary. Serve in a dish. Dust with grated parmesan cheese if you like. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
いただきます。
きのこです、大好きな。